Soft jelly heads sway out of sync, each one whispering a version of a version. A smile slides sideways, a cute face blinks from the wrong place. Droplets hang in the air longer than they should, forgetting which direction gravity belongs to. Copy me, slightly crooked, bend my shadow into someone else. Jellyfolk, little creatures looping their own mistakes, beautiful in their warped symmetry. Copy me, slightly crooked, bend my shadow into someone else. Jellyfolk, little creatures looping their own mistakes, beautiful in their warped symmetry.